Welcome to London, the city where history collides with modern marvels, and every corner holds a story. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, London always has something new to offer. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of the top 10 must-see spots in this iconic city. Number 10. The Warner Bros. Studio Tour. Enter the Wizarding World. Starting our countdown at number 10, the Warner Bros. Studio Tour is a magical experience for Harry Potter fans and film buffs alike. Located just outside of London, this immersive tour takes you behind the scenes of one of the most successful film franchises in history. As you step into the Great Hall, you'll feel like a Hogwarts student, surrounded by the same long tables and enchanted ceiling that hosted so many iconic scenes. Explore Diagon Alley, complete with Ollivander's Wand Shop, where you can almost feel the magic in the air. The tour also showcases a variety of costumes, props, and special effects used in the films, providing a fascinating look at the craftsmanship that went into bringing J.K. Rowling's world to life. Don't miss the Forbidden Forest, where you can encounter Aragog and other magical creatures. And of course, no visit is complete without tasting butterbeer. Just be prepared for its unique flavor. Number 9. Hyde Park, London's green heart. At number 9, we have Hyde Park, a vast green space in the middle of the bustling city. This 350-acre park is a haven for both locals and tourists, offering a peaceful escape from the urban environment. Originally a hunting ground for King Henry VI, Hyde Park has a rich history that is still evident today. The park is home to several landmarks, including the Serpentine Lake, where you can rent paddle boats, and the Diana, Princess of Wales Memorial Fountain, a serene spot for reflection. Hyde Park is also famous for Speaker's Corner, where people have gathered to discuss and debate since the 19th century. Whether you're looking for a place to jog, relax with a book, or participate in one of the many events held throughout the year, Hyde Park offers something for everyone. It's also a great spot for people watching. Grab a coffee from a nearby cafe, find a bench, and watch London life unfold before you. Number 8. The Natural History Museum, where dinosaurs still roam. At number 8, the Natural History Museum offers a journey through time that's both educational and awe-inspiring. Located in a stunning Romanesque building, the museum is home to a vast collection of natural wonders, from dinosaur skeletons to precious gemstones. The star of the show is the animatronic T-Rex, which thrills visitors of all ages with its lifelike movements and roar. But the museum's appeal goes far beyond dinosaurs. You'll find exhibits on everything from human evolution to the mysteries of the deep sea. The Earth Hall, with its giant revolving globe, offers a deep dive into the planet's geology and climate. The museum also features interactive displays and hands-on exhibits, making it a hit with families and school groups. Admission is free, though donations are welcome, and the museum's cafe provides a perfect spot to relax and reflect on all you've seen. Number 7. Westminster Abbey. Walk among monarchs. Coming in at number 7 is Westminster Abbey, a site that's as integral to British history as the monarchy itself. This Gothic cathedral has been the coronation site for English and British monarchs since 1066, and its hallowed halls have witnessed some of the most significant events in the nation's history. Walking through the Abbey, you'll pass the tombs of kings, queens, poets, and scientists, all buried within its sacred walls. The stunning architecture, with its intricate stained glass windows and towering spires, is a testament to the skill of the medieval craftsmen who built it. Westminster Abbey is also the final resting place of notable figures like Sir Isaac Newton, Charles Darwin, and Geoffrey Chaucer, making it a pilgrimage site for fans of literature and science. The Abbey remains a working church, hosting daily services, and visitors are welcome to join in or simply admire the beauty of this historic building. Number 6. The Shard, London from the clouds. At number 6, the Shard offers a view of London like no other. Standing at 310 meters, it's the tallest building in the UK and offers breathtaking 360-degree views of the city from its viewing platforms on floors 69 to 72. The Shard's design, which resembles a shard of glass, has become an iconic part of London's skyline since its completion in 2012. Visiting the Shard is more than just about the view, though the panorama is undoubtedly the main attraction. You can also dine at one of its many restaurants, enjoy a cocktail at the bar, or even stay at the luxury hotel located within the building. For those looking for something extra special, the Shard offers unique experiences like silent discos and yoga sessions with a view. Number 5. The British Museum, a treasure trove of human history. Ranking at number 5, the British Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in history, culture, and the arts. Established in 1753, it was the first national public museum in the world, and it remains one of the most comprehensive. The museum's vast collection spans over 2 million years of history, with artifacts from every corner of the globe. Among the most famous exhibits are the Rosetta Stone, the key to understanding Egyptian hieroglyphs, and the controversial Elgin marbles, taken from the Parthenon in Athens. The British Museum is also home to ancient Egyptian mummies, the Assyrian lion hunt reliefs, and an extensive collection of Asian art. The museum's layout is easy to navigate, with each room dedicated to a different civilization or period. Admission is free, though certain temporary exhibitions may require a ticket. Number 4. Camden Market, a feast for the senses. At number 4, Camden Market is a vibrant, eclectic experience that's unlike anywhere else in London. Located in the heart of Camden Town, this market is a haven for foodies, fashionistas, and anyone looking for something a little different. Camden Market is actually a collection of several markets, each with its own unique vibe. The Stables Market, for example, is known for its vintage clothing and antiques, while the Camden Lock Market is a hotspot for street food from around the world. As you wander through the market, you'll encounter an array of stalls selling everything from handmade jewelry to quirky home decor. The atmosphere is electric, with live music, street performers, and the constant buzz of people from all walks of life. Camden Market is also a great place to try some of London's most diverse cuisine, from vegan delights to classic fish and chips. Number 3. Buckingham Palace. Catch a glimpse of royalty. Coming in at number 3 is Buckingham Palace, the official residence of the British monarch and a symbol of the United Kingdom. This iconic building has been the London home of the royal family since Queen Victoria's reign in the 19th century. During the summer months, parts of the palace are open to the public, offering a rare glimpse into the life of the royals. Visitors can tour the state rooms, which are used for official events and receptions, and marvel at the opulent decor, including priceless works of art from the royal collection. One of the highlights of any visit is witnessing the changing of the guard, a centuries-old ceremony that takes place outside the palace gates. The event, with its precision and pageantry, is a quintessentially British spectacle that attracts crowds from around the world. Number 2. The London Eye, the Millennium Wheel that keeps on spinning. Narrowly missing the top spot, the London Eye takes the number 2 position on our list. This giant Ferris wheel, located on the south bank of the River Thames, has been a fixture of the London skyline since it was erected to celebrate the new millennium. Standing at 135 meters tall, the London Eye offers spectacular views of the city, stretching as far as Windsor Castle on a clear day. Each of the 32 capsules represents one of London's boroughs, and a full rotation takes about 30 minutes, giving you plenty of time to take in the sights. The London Eye is more than just a tourist attraction, it's a symbol of modern London, and its popularity shows no signs of waning. Whether you're visiting by day to see the city spread out beneath you or at night when London is illuminated by thousands of lights, a ride on the London Eye is an experience you won't forget. Don't forget to snap a photo at the top. The view is unbeatable. Number 1. The Tower of London, where history comes alive. Kicking off our countdown with the crown jewel of London's history, pun intended, the Tower of London is more than just a fortress. It's a living, breathing monument to England's turbulent past. This imposing structure, founded by William the Conqueror in 1078, has served many roles over the centuries: royal palace, prison, armory, and even a zoo. But perhaps most famously, it is the home of the crown jewels, a collection of some of the most stunning and historically significant jewels in the world. The sight of the Imperial State Crown alone, with its 2,868 diamonds, is enough to leave anyone speechless. As you explore the tower, you'll encounter the yeoman warders, or beefeaters, who have guarded this iconic landmark for centuries. They're full of fascinating stories and dark tales about the tower's infamous prisoners, from Anne Boleyn, who met her tragic end here, to the mysterious disappearance of the princes in the tower. And that wraps up our ultimate London travel video. If you're ready to pack your bags and explore these incredible spots, make sure you hit that like button. And if you want more adventures, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.